Hello, this is Les Walkling and welcome to our studio and this short presentation on flattening curled paper. Often the curl of the mother rule is still evident in sheets of paper that needs to be removed either before or after printing. One method that works well, when used with due caution, employs two larger sheets of paper to encapsulate the print, allowing it to be reverse rolled without damage. Use a slippery surfaced paper in the sense that it glides effortlessly across even delicate paper coatings without damaging them, and no heavier than about 120 GSM to avoid paper edge indentations on the print surface. Also ensure there is an offset between the start of the two encapsulating sheets to avoid doubling their edge thickness and thereby further reducing the risk of indentation. The diameter of the rolling tube depends on the amount of curl being flattened, the size of the print, and the rigidity of the paper itself. I hope this has been helpful and informative and wish you all the best with your printmaking adventures.